NPP leader Rakkam Sangma has hinted at a possible alliance between the Congress and the BJP during the recent Lok Sabha elections in Tura, drawing on claims made by BJP Tura MDC Bernard Marak. On Tuesday, Sangma, who also serves as the Education Minister of the state, noted that it would be up to the NPP leadership to assess the situation and decide on any necessary actions.
This BJP has shoot NPP in the penalty, scored a goal in the penalty. We were not expected. We thought BJP is supporting. We thought the peoples of Garhis, people of Meghalaya, that BJP is supporting NPP. But now the truth came out. Truth came out today. So our honorable MDC from Tura, but Bernard has disclosed, has revealed, it's something we never expected and we never thought of. But this is something like, I think maybe this is the first in the history of our country that BJP worked Congress to win in Tura seat. So this is something, it's a very, very big news. So it is, nobody was expected, but since now, because we also are expecting, because there was about 60, 70, 80, suppose 60, 70, 80,000 vote of the BJP in Garhis. But so suppose all these big numbers, all these voters went to Congress. So we have seen from the day one when the Congress started campaign, all the tough BJP leaders from Congress, like Madam, who is my auntie, Madam Pardin, the former MLA from Salsada, who was the BJP candidate, right? So some former MLAs also are this. So there are many leaders from BJP straight away, and the former former leaders from BJP, Mr. Champion, right? I saw some sense. I also smell some red while the start the campaign thing. How come all the tough BJP leader from Congress is campaigning for Congress? So now the truth came out today. So today, the honorable MDC from Tura has disclosed detail that the Congress won Tura seat because of support from the BJP. It's something something is a big news for everybody, which nobody was thinking of this. But this in politics it happens. Our honorable president, our honorable chief minister has already announced in the election to come, we will never have this kind of coalition.
The BJP's support in the last
election. It is not accepting. They have not filled the candidate. We have not sought. NPP, I think I have not wrong. Our honorable chief minister, Ari Kaman, never sought support the BJP. It is the BJP who have decided not to fill the candidate, and they have directed the BJP cadre, the voters, to vote for NPP. They made so. But whereas the leaders from Garhis and Meghalaya, they work in a different way. Right now, the testimony is clear now, right? People have what you call played a fake video, right? So I have said many things. They blame whatever happened in a different part of the country, of the world. They all brushed with the same color of BJP and NPP. But now it's definitely it's open now. So who is a real friend of somebody? Now it's come to light. So this is something the unexpected. The hidden has been discovered, right? So and sometimes when the light comes, the colors open. So maybe.
According to reports quoting Bernard Marak, Saling Sangma should acknowledge the BJP's role in his electoral success, particularly since the party chose not to field a candidate against him. Marak reportedly advised Saling Sangma to be thankful that he did not contest as an independent candidate in the recent MP elections and questioned why Saling would criticize the BJP after it helped secure his victory. When questioned about the NPP's ties with the BJP in the state, Rakkam Sangma explained that the party's support for the BJP stems from the need to secure central government assistance.
Ties does not erase as of now, but I'm not talking about the election only. Because for the sake of development, right? Any state like this, we cannot run the state without the support, without the assistance from the central government, right? So now the central government has given 2,000 crore for MITP project, which is big things for the state Meghalaya like it, right?
The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.